Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your server look aesthetic on Discord in just a few simple steps. First, click on your server icon in the left sidebar to open your server. Click on the server name at the top to open the server drop-down menu. Select Server Settings from the menu to open the settings modal. Click the Change Server Icon button to upload a new icon. A file picker opens. Select the image file you want to use, and an Edit Image window appears with a preview. Click Apply to save your new server icon, and it updates in the Overview panel. Scroll down to the Banner Color Picker and click a color. For this example, I'm selecting red, and the banner preview updates. You can try different colors. I'll click yellow to see how that looks. Scroll down to the Traits field, click it to open the Emoji Picker, then select an emoji to add some personality. Click into the Description field and type a short description for your server. I'll type Test. Click the Games field to open the drop-down and select a game. For this example, I'm choosing Roblox. Click Save Changes to apply all your customizations. Scroll down and toggle Private Profile on if you want to keep your server profile private. Click Save Changes again to finalize everything, and your aesthetic server setup is complete. Your server icon needs to be a square image, ideally at least 512 by 512 pixels. Discord will crop rectangular images automatically. The banner color appears behind your server name at the top of the channel list and in Discovery, so pick something that complements your icon. If you want to add emojis to channel names as well, right-click any channel, select Edit Channel, and include an emoji at the start of the name field. And that's how to make your server look aesthetic on Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.